Instruction: choose the correct answer from the choices. Question number 1. The following are examples of palindrome, except A. Reloader, B. Race car, C. Reviver, D. Redivider. The answer is letter A. Reloader. Explanation: a palindrome is a word, phrase, or sequence that reads the same backwards as forwards. For example, madam, level, civic, radar, or noon. And reloader is not an example of it. Question number 2. Huwag ka nang magbuhat ng sariling bangko, hayaan mong ang ibang tao ang pumuri sa gawa mo. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng idiomang ito? A. Maghirap, B. Magyabang, C. Magpapansin, D. Maging tamad. Ang sagot ay B. Magyabang. Paliwanag: ang pariralang magbuhat ng sariling bangko ay isang halimbawa ng idioma na tumutukoy sa isang tao na nagmamalaki ng kanyang sarili o nagmamayabang tungkol sa kanyang mga nagawa o kakayahan. Question number 3. Which of the following words is an example of an oxymoron? A. Deafening silence, B. Crystal clear, C. Running fast, D. Beautiful flower. The answer is letter A. Deafening silence. Explanation: the phrase deafening silence is an example of oxymoron because it combines two contradictory ideas: the deafening, which implies intense loudness, and silence, which means complete absence of sound. Question number 4. Nagbibilang ng poste is commonly used to describe someone who is A. Looking for work, B. Daydreaming, C. Counting expenses, D. Tambay. The answer is letter A. Looking for work. Paliwanag: ang nagbibilang ng poste ay isang idioma na tumutukoy sa taong walang trabaho o walang pinagkakakitaan ngunit masigasig na naghahanap ng hanap buhay. Question number 5. Which word is closest in meaning to meticulous? A. Careless, B. Careful, C. Miraculous, D. Brave. The answer is letter B. Careful. Meticulous means very careful about doing something in an extremely accurate and exact way. Question number 6. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng lagasaw? A. Tunog ng ulan, B. Tunog ng pag-iyak, C. Tunog ng hangin, D. Tunog ng alon. Ang sagot ay D. Tunog ng alon. Ang ibig sabihin ng lagasaw ay ang tunog ng tubig sa buhangin at bato, tulad ng tunog ng tubig mula sa talon at mga ahlon sa dagat. Question number 7. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng gulagulanit? A. Lukot-lukot, B. Madumi, C. Punit-punit, D. Madungis. Ang sagot ay C. Punit-punit. Ang ibig sabihin ng gula-gulanit ay maraming punit at parang basahan. Question number 7. What does vivaciously mean? A. Awkwardly, B. Lively, C. Boldly, D. Politely. The answer is B. Lively. Vivaciously means lively in temper, conduct, or spirit. Question 9. He is cognizant of his duties as a father. What is the antonym of cognizant? A. Aware, B. Conscious, C. Ignorant, D. Irresponsible. The answer is letter C. Ignorant. Cognizant means having knowledge or being aware of. Question 10. Cassie has a strong penchant for collecting cars. The bolded word is penchant. A. Interest, B. Habit, C. Love, D. Fondness. The answer is letter D. Fondness. Penchant means a strong or habitual liking for something or tendency to do something. You've finished this reviewer. Check out our other videos.